To set stress measurement on your Galaxy Watch to manual only to save more battery, you can do so directly from your watch setting menu and from the wearable app on your phone. As the example, we will do so from the wearable app on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. On your phone, go to the app screen, find wearable app, and then tap it, tap watch setting. Next, tap health. Under measurement section, tap stress, and then select manual only. With this setting, your watch will stop tracking your stress level automatically in the background. To measure your stress level, open the Samsung Health app on your watch. Tap the stress tile to manually check your stress level whenever you want. Tap measure to start measuring. Given to the function, you can use this setting if you prefer checking your stress level only when needed instead of having your watch monitor it continuously. This gives you more control over when data is collected and may also help extend battery life. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.